Hi, I'm Ian Sanders, and this is the traditional way to eat cereal right here. Get your favorite cereal, you pour it into a bowl, get milk, and you pour it into the cereal. Now this is the best part about cereal. You got warm cereal, really cold milk. That's the best bite right there. It's warm, it's crunchy, it's cold, all at once. It's like a brownie and ice cream all together. Perfect. This right here is the easy ColdCrunch spoon with the easy screw-on cap. It's as simple as screwing on this cap, feeding the hose down into the milk, pressing a button, scoop your cereal, press the button, hold it down, dispense the milk, and take a bite. Have that warm crunch, cold milk every time. The best part of cereal. To show the difference between this spoon and the traditional way of eating milk in cereal, this one's been sitting here for 4 minutes. 4 minutes. And it's all soggy, no more crunch. You don't want to be rushed eating your cereal. You want to have a beautiful cold crunch every time. Say no to soggy cereal and say yes to ColdCrunch, the world's greatest spoon. Help us bring this spoon to life. We're gonna, with your money and your help, we will fix the design, make it more clean, get rid of the batteries, have a top cap, get rid of all these wires, no more tape, cleaner design on the spoon, make it longer, make it perfect for everyone. Help us get this spoon out to the world. Thank you.